everybody, this is Andrew's Awesome Hot Wheels. Today we're going to do the rocket launcher. Let's check it out. Let's open it up and then see, look, everything's inside. Ooh, look at the rocket launch. Let's get out this. It only has a couple of things to set up. And it has stickers and instructions. Make sure you put your stickers on first, and let's load the rocket. So, there it is. Let's put some track right there. First, we're going to start with the Dodge Charger Drift. Let's put it on, load the launchers. Just do one notch. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome! Pile driver. Let's do it all the way back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pile driver, awesome. Now the last one's jacket. Let's load the launchers and put the cars in. So that's 1 and 2. So that's 1. So that's 2. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Awesome. This was Andrew's Awesome Hot Wheels, and hope you have a nice time. Please subscribe. Bye-bye. Please subscribe.